You know that the human population is increasing every year, and each of that human is used some engine in their lifetime. Do you ever use some air conditioner or even refrigerator? You sure is. Change to another topic. As I told you before that the human population is increasing every year, so the transportation too. The most transportation that used by the people is this cars. These cars is produce a kind of the waste. What I'm going to tell you is that how we can reduce this cars waste, or even possibility to reuse this waste of these cars.
I will tell you about our project. Our project is working on how to reuse engine waste of a car. In this project, we will use some device. Our device is like turbocharger. So I will tell you how turbocharger works. Turbocharger consists of two parts. The turbine wheel on the below, and then on the above there is a compressor wheel. Turbocharger works with the engine waste gas such as carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and then nitrogen oxide, and then etc. The engine waste that already solidified enter this turbine wheel, and then the turbine wheel spinning, and then the turbine wheel produce energy. Energy to increase the engine power, and then the compressor wheel works to cool down the turbine wheel. The compressor take the open air and then filter the air, and then the turbine spinning. Okay, I will. Okay, this is. Let's say this is our car, our daily car, and then this is our device. Our device put at the end of the exhaust, and then after we use our car, automatically the engine waste of our car is menumpuk, and then let's say this is our device. This device contains the engine waste gas, and then if you use that gas, this turbine will be spinning and then produce energy, like I said before. We put this device on a dock around our house. After we put this device in our dock, and this dock will be dock, it's like a port. It's like a port of USB or something like that. After we put this device on the dock, the generator of the dock will be producing electricity. We can use electricity. We can use this electricity to to turn on our TV, turn on our air conditioner, turn on our electric stove, and then charging our handphone or something like that. Yeah, I think that's all. Thank you.
In this opportunity, I want to tell you what benefit or advantage is we using turbocharge. The first advantage is it will more eco-friendly than before. Why? Because if you use the turbocharge, the turbocharge will absorb the gas from the exhaust engines, like carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, and the others will be absorbed by the turbocharge. It will be solidified in the turbocharge. It makes your environment more friendly than before. The second is it will be producing the new alternative energy, because from the solidified of the gas, it will be produced like new energy, like electrical energy, movement energy, and the other. And this advantage is it will more effective and more efficient, because from the turbocharge it will make your car more effective and efficient. Thank you.
I will tell you about the advantage of using turbocharger. First, there is turbocharger lag. That is time required to change power output. It primarily caused by inertia, friction, and compressor of turbocharger. Second, turbocharger only work efficient in high speed velocity. And the third, the user have to spend more money to add turbocharger in their car, and it also raising the maintenance cost of their car. And the last, there is risk factor of using turbocharger. We know that turbocharger will give our car more heat, but it can our car overheating or even burning. Okay, that's all.
Now I will explain about the hybrid car system. So, simple thing, the hybrid car system is a combination of the fuel energy and the battery in one car. So there is two types of the hybrid car. It's a standard system hybrid car first. The standard system hybrid car has 5 steps of it. It's starting, crushing, accelerate, braking, and stop. In the starting state, the energy is from the fuel energy, and if the battery is not fully charged, it will recharge from the fuel energy. In the crushing state, the energy is from the fuel energy, and the battery will use as the power to turn on the air conditioner, audio, and etc. In the accelerated state, the car will use both of the energy, so the power of the car will be bigger. And in the braking state, the generator can convert the energy of the rotation to charge the battery. And it's the new technology. Its name is the regenerative charge. And in the stop state, like when you are in a traffic light, the energy is from the battery, so it will save the fuel energy. And the second is the fuel system hybrid car. In the fuel system of hybrid car, the energy is from the battery, and the engine will not turn on until the battery is out of energy. And the low velocity state, in low velocity state, the use of energy is from the battery, so when you are in a traffic jam, it will save the fuel energy. And in the crushing state and accelerated state, braking state, and stop state, it's like in the first one, like in the standard system of hybrid car. So that's my explain of it. Thank you.
I will tell you about why we must use hybrid car to reduce engine waste. First, save more energy. As we know that hybrid car combined two machines, combustion engine and electrical engine. And with the system of hybrid car can save more energy until 50%. It's amazing. And the second one is eco-friendly because hybrid car can save more energy until 50%. Hybrid car also minimize engine waste, and also the third, hybrid car also reduce air pollution from engine waste. Besides that, hybrid car also has disadvantage. First, more expensive because hybrid car combined two machine, and the second one is more maintenance cost. Thank you.
I will tell you about the conclusion of this project. Before that, I want to give you some facts in our city, just in Bandung, because in Bandung, in past years, the weather is really cold. But now, in Bandung, at the noon, the weather is wow, it's so hot. Maybe it's about 30 degrees and up until 30 degrees. But I think this problem is made from air pollution is increasing, and the increasing of air pollution I think is because the exhaust gas from car engine is increasing too, and we, our group, will give solution is hybrid car and turbocharger, because after we doing searching and we doing research in internet, we know from just like hybrid car can reducing the exhaust gas up until 90%, and if we use hybrid car and turbocharger in our city, we can reduce our air pollution, and we can give our city Bandung is come back to in past years. Thank you.
I want to tell about our hope. We hope this innovation can be produced and developed in Indonesia. Many vehicles in Indonesia, so I hope especially all of public transportation can use this innovation. This innovation will exploit the world after. Thank you.